What's up, sweeties? It's TL, and I'm back with another one. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Come on and join the fun. Welcome back to my channel. As y'all can see by the title and the thumbnail, I'm back with another Dollar Tree DIY project. Okay, it's a holiday project, so let's get into it. You're going to need a scallop container, a wine glass, a small saucer plate, some flowers of your choice. I got this party popper. You can use it or you don't have to if you don't want to. I have some electrical tape, hot glue sticks, E6000, hot glue gun, and I have some little pros here that I probably won't use, but we'll see what happens. All right, so I have my hot glue gun plugged in already. Today we're making a wine bowl, like a punch bowl, but it's a wine bowl. And we're gonna pour our wine up in here, so get you some wine. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take my stickers off. I hope everyone's feeling good and looking good today. Let's get this stuff off of here. So with the, that was so satisfying. I just don't know why, but it was really, really satisfying. Oh, loved it. All right, now I already took my sticker off my flowers. Let's open up our party popper. Ooh, okay. I wasn't trying to pop my nail. Y'all know I always gotta say I hope I don't pop my nail off, because I do love press-ons. So if you make press-ons, check the description box down below. Hit up my email and let's collab. Let's do it. These press-ons I got from Shein for $1.78. You probably seen them on my YouTube short, but if you didn't, here they are again. Super duper cute. I think I would have liked the other pair better, but this will do. So here's our, wait a minute. Here's our wine, champagne, whatever you want to call it. So I have to, if I don't break it, I got it, right? I have this cute black saucer here, and I'm going to start by hot gluing and putting some E6000 for a longer and stronger hold on my plate. Okay, so let's get it. This is going to be covered. I'm so glad to be back doing a DIY project. I missed doing DIY projects. I've been taking a little break, but I'm back. Welcome back. Okay. Hot glue. Let's hurry up. E6000. Oh, this is so oh. Okay, come on. Oh, there we go. Chill. Okay. This is gonna be so cute. Okay, boom. And let's do a little dab of this again. Just like so. Zing, 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 zing. Make sure y'all say hey T in the comment section. What are your plans for New Year's Eve? What do y'all do for New Year's Eve? Y'all go to church, y'all stay home, y'all get straight lit in the city, y'all turn up, y'all go to the club, you party with your kids, you party with your families, you party by yourself, you take a nap, you go to sleep, you bring it in sober, you bring it in tipsy, everybody in the club getting tipsy. What you do? Comment down below what y'all do. This look kind of good already. See that? Glass on glass. Glass on glass. Make it last, glass on glass. Hey, E6000 with the hot glue. I'm going to use the both of you two on YouTube. Zoom. All right. So while this is drying, I'm going to, do I want to flip this like this? Yes, I do. So while that's drying, I'm going to go ahead and get my scallop container ready. So I got my electrical tape, and we're just going to create a cute little design on our container. All right, 15 hours later, we got the tape off. Let's get it. So I'm just gonna start, I'm gonna start here at the bottom and just kind of go around. Hopefully I can keep it nice and straight. I just want to create a nice design on our container using this black tape. The width of the tape in between each design. I'm loving it so far. I'm gonna go ahead and wash this out and dry it real good, and then we're going to finish putting our project together, okay? So now we're gonna go ahead and glue our wine glass onto our wine glass.
Let me tell you about this girl, maybe I shouldn't. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brian. I shouldn't. See, we been making love constantly. That's why my eyes are a shade blood burgundy. The way that we kiss is unlike any other way that I be kissing. When I'm kissing, what I'm missing, won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off your love, I don't know how to behave.
I wanted the flowers to kind of come up just like that instead of going like around, which I think that is kind of like, it's cute, but it's a little old school to me. Then I don't want it to look like that. So I think I'm gonna go like the way I seen how I wanted it to go in the store, and then kind of lean that in somehow. I'm just gonna place it on the leaf and some of the stem so it can stick in place. Use your scissors to push on it. So it can get up on it. If you really, really want it, all you gotta do is get up on it. Comment down below who's seen that song. If you're a true R&B fan, you know that song. So I got my flowers placed where I wanted them. I kind of put some electrical tape on, like little pieces of electrical tape on the stems, so you can't really see it, to help hold my stems in place on my actual wine glass. So now I'm going to take my champagne and kind of lean it in and just put it wherever I think it looks best. And now that your wine glass is put together, you can go ahead and pour your wine in it. Put your serving spoon. Now I have this big old serving spoon. Get you one of them little cute ones. Get your little gold, little cute serving spoon with the little small, little bowl thing on it. But let's go ahead and pour the wine in. Okay. And that's how you want to serve your wine. Thank y'all so much for tuning in to Lifeasteeelle. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. How do you like this? Ain't it cute? You want to try it? Yes, ma'am. Happy holidays to you and your families. Make sure y'all share, subscribe, and click the bell so you're notified when I post more content. And I'll see y'all in the next video. I'm out. Peace.